You're a superhero.
What's up everyone? My name is Ivan DC Reyes and today we are going to react 3 most popular mobile operating system, namely Android mobile operating system, Windows operating system, and iOS operating system. Nga pala, credits kay OS Reviews para sa video na papanoorin natin at kay The Curly Braces PH para sa mga karagdagang informations na sasabihin ko. So in this video, basically manonood tayo ng isang video and after that, tsaka tayo mag-i-explain o mag-discuss about dun sa mga nalalaman natin tungkol sa video na ito. Okay? So, let's go!
First, I think that the key feature that can be found here is going to be simplicity, and also the fact that you can organize your apps depending on the way you really want it to. It's not too many things, there aren't too many things really going on. You have your basic applications stylized in this tile form factor that's very similar to Windows 8, and so if you do use a Windows 8 computer, the transition between a Windows phone and a desktop is going to be very simple and very easy. With that being said, you don't have the largest selection of games, but most of the applications run very smoothly just because Windows Phone is optimized to run even on slower devices that don't have lightning fast processors, so to speak. So web browsing is a strength of Windows phones, and overall it's a very easy to use operating system. The core functions are balanced nicely, but one of the weaker aspects is going to be in gaming, just because the processor might not be as fast or as demanding as an Android device, and also the kind of marketplace is still developing compared to Android and also iOS. Otherwise, cameras tend to be very good on Windows phones, call quality tends to be pretty good, and performance in general tends to be very strong.
So Windows Phone Mobile Operating System, it was developed by Microsoft and launched with Windows Phone 7 October 2010. It is a replacement successor to Windows Mobile for smartphones. So, in this Windows Phone Mobile Operating System, para siyang katulad dun sa Windows 8 dun sa mga desktop natin. It uses new user interface or Metro design. So, when we press or pag pinindot natin yung home screen or yung start screen, lalabas na agad yung mga live tiles katulad halimbawa pag pinindot natin yung Windows button sa Windows laptop or desktop natin. Actually, maganda tong Windows Mobile Operating System. I like the interface kasi mas nagbumukhang mamahalin pero mamahalin naman talaga siya. And aside from that, it looks very high-tech. Ang problema is the compatibility kasi naka-encounter ako nito when I was in high school and hindi siya napapasahan ng ibang apps because that other apps is just intended from other mobile operating system. And alam naman natin na si Windows Mobile Operating System is yung App Store na is hindi ganun karami yung apps na available kasi konti lang din yung nagde-develop. Another thing is hindi siya ganun ka user-friendly kasi nahihirapan yung iba na gumamit nito because yung ibang icon o yung ibang features ng apps is hindi ganun kadaling intindihin or i-identify. Okay? So, next.
Next, we have Android, which is, of course, probably one of the more popular ones on this list, and I don't really need to do too much explaining here. Obviously, Android is a really powerful operating system because it allows for such a high level of customization depending on the manufacturer. So, from Sony Xperia Skin to Samsung's TouchWiz to LG's S-Class, so every manufacturer, like Xiaomi's MIUI, has placed their own spin on top of it, and even the vanilla experience of Android is very powerful because you can customize it with your favorite widgets, and the number of apps in the marketplace is just growing even every day. So it's a great option to go with even if you are a smartphone and an advanced smartphone user, or you're just starting out with your first smartphone. So of course the quality of the phones is going to significantly vary depending on the processor speed and the device that you actually get. But in general, Android I think has a very viable future and has a very powerful crowd going before it. So it's probably one of the better positioned operating systems on this list. It suits both power users and first-time smartphone users.
So okay, Android Mobile Operating System. It was based on the Linux kernel and designed primarily for mobile touchscreen devices such as tablets or cell phones. It is developed by Android Incorporation and was released on 2007. And in July 2013, Android has become the best OS or operating system for mobile devices. And in the same year, Android released over 1 million applications in Google Play Store. So in this Android mobile operating system, hindi na siya ganun kabago sa pandinig natin kasi popular na siya, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga Pilipino. Hindi kasi siya ganun kamahal, and for as low as 2,000 or lower than that, makakabili ka na ng bago. But wag mong aasahan na super ganda nung nilalaman niya kasi mura mo lang naman nabili. Siguro kung bibili ka ng mga tag 4,000 or 7,000, makakaasa ka na ng magandang quality, malinaw na camera, and malaking memory na good na for online classes and gaming. That's why siguro kaya siya naging best OS for mobile devices kasi maraming gumagamit na customer and maraming nagmamanufacture na company like Oppo and Xiaomi. Open source kasi siya kaya pwede siyang i-modify ng kung sinong company like sa Oppo, diba, naging Color OS, and sa Xiaomi is MIUI. Okay? So next.
The last thing on this list, I guess, would be iOS, and actually we have one more device, but we'll see if we have time for that. And of course, iOS is another operating system, just like on Android. I don't need to do too much explaining on. It's simple to use, but customization is slightly more limited just because you can't have any widgets or anything like that, although it's super easy to use. And of course, one of the key functions here are going to be apps. So you can install thousands and thousands of applications, and you're limited only by the phone's memory. The processor is fast, it's snappy, it's responsive, and the operating system does a good job in terms of web browsing and also the core functionalities. And so it's great for, I guess, first-time smartphone users, and even if you're kind of a fan and just continuing with Apple's design over the years, it still is a good.
Okay, so Apple iOS mobile operating system. It was designed and produced by Apple Incorporation and exclusively for Apple devices only. It was initially planned by Steve Jobs on 2005, but formally released on January 9, 2007 at Macworld Conference and Expo. Actually, maganda rin tong Apple iOS mobile operating system na ito. Marami rin gumagamit ito sa mga kaklase and kakilala ko nung high school ako because of the high definition. And lalo pang maraming bumili and gumamit ito because years later, nag-add na ng mga bagong features si Apple iOS such as Notification Center, iMessage, iCloud, and of course, the virtual assistant named Siri na kung saan nakakapag-perform na siya ng different tasks such as opening an app, browsing the web, and many more. Yun nga lang medyo mabigat siya sa bulsa compared kay Android kasi kay Android makakabili ka na ng tag 2,000 pesos na brand new. Siguro dito makakabili ka iPhone 4S pero baka kulangin pa. Kasi dito ultimong logo niya binabayaran. Kasi di ba pag nakakita tayo ng mga naka-iPhone is agad natin, ay rich kid, ay mayaman. So ayun. Another thing is proprietary software siya. Actually silang dalawa ni Windows Phone. Meaning hindi siya pwedeng i-modified. Kaya rin siguro siya seconds best lang kasi hindi naman lahat afford bumili ng ganito kamahal na cellphone. First si Android para sa best OS for mobile devices, second lang tong si iPhone, and third naman si Windows. So that's all for today, folks. Sana may natutuhan kayo for our today's topic. But before we end, kindly click the like button and subscribe. Thank you!